hello. I just woke up. Good morning. Now I'm going to make a farm tour. My small farm. Okay. I have a tailor. That is Patrick. Say hi, Patrick. Hi. So we have goats here. My father fixing the tie of our pig. And this is our chicken house. That is the farmhouse of David. We have garden here. So I'm going to show you to where that is. Patrick, that's your house? Is that your house, Patrick? Huh? Show it. Where's your house? Where's your house, Patrick?
Baay. Baay mo.
Baay. Baay. Kanan ka baay nyo? Kanan mo. Duton tay. Kadkalabot Monobo, Patrick. Taylaw ka mo, Patrick. And we have lots of coconuts. Coconut nuts is a giant nut. Oops. And we have mango here. I think there's a fruit. Wow. We have mango. This is my area. Up to that place which is, you can see the line of the grass cut. Up to that area. And then we're going here. We are close to the road. That's why you can hear some motorcycle. And over here, up to the creek. We have creek here. These are the fruits area. As you can see, we have here some durian. I don't know if it has. And this one is, what tree is this? And this one is santol. This is durian. But I guess no fruit. On the other side, we have a lot of fruits. So up to there, you can hear the creek. Yeah, below there, there's a creek. This is still durian. Durian trees. This is lanzones. And this one, I guess, is rambutan. This is rambutan, yeah. It's rambutan. Some banana there. I don't know how to go down there. In the creek. Asa mo agi?
Sige.
Ah. Yee! So we're going down the creek. Still here. So, oh. Whose horse is that?
Ako na.
Is that your horse? What's the name of your horse?
Ako na.
What's the name of your horse? Patrick said it's his horse.
Malaki.
Huh? Is that your horse, Patrick? More trees.
Sige.
Where? Big rocks. Guys, you can see these plants. It's only a wild plants here. But in the city, it's very expensive. See? I have a lot of wild plants here. This one. If you want this, just comment below. If you want banana. Where's the creek? So I'm going to the creek. Where? See? Lots of bajang here. What's this for, Patrick? Unsa man na?
Ngayon na.
Ha?
Ngayon.
Ha?
Mo ano?
Unsa man na? Para unsa man na?
Hindi.
Ha? Riga? It's a table. What did you do with it? Unsa man eh? Ha?
Ako papa.
Papa. He's saying his father made it.
Anak
So,
man.
we have a lot of wild pineapple. See?
Nati isa.
There's the small fruits. This is wild pineapple. We're going down to the creek. Oops, oops. Sama na agi, dere? Asa man? Ha?
Kaya walker.
Ha?
Ana isa.
Oh yeah. What? What's that? Chew it. Actually, he is a special child. He cannot talk well. Oh, lots more pineapple here, Patrick. David's still sleeping. If David is awake, I'm sure he's also coming with us. So this is the creek. So many pineapples here. As you can see. See? Yeah. So this is the creek. Huh? What? Asa man agi? Here? This is the creek. Oh, and this is the place. I will show you. It's pure mineral water. Where they take the water for drinking. See? It's very clean. This is pure mineral. This is the creek. That is where Patrick get water for drinking. That is where you get water for drinking? You sure? He only smile all the time. Patrick's always smiling all the time. Oh. Do you think, guys, I can find gold here? Do you think there's a gold here? So this is the creek in my area. So that's all. I have a lot of fern here. My father came. This tree here was fallen from that tree. You can see it's very big tree. It's a baliti tree. One branch fell down. Good that nobody here. It's a baliti tree. Up to there, the big one. That's my father. He's going to show me the new area we just bought, because I don't know yet. It's just connected with this land. Now I see. Earlier I didn't see the
Ako na!
Durian fruit. See?
Durian fruit. Diri o daghang makita nga bunga.
Ah, there's a lot more there. Still like as big as a fist, bigger than a fist. You will harvest that by August. That's my father there. Pero saan ni Pang? Kasahadlok oh, lansang. Katindog.
Oh, diri ni. Ang bris niya diri.
Pero saan ni?
Paan sa palkata. Siniyahan palkata.
Ah,
Nana diha ang similya kang Durian pero wala pa moabot ang ilahang ko ang
a new area. Yeah, this is the new area we got. There's no a lot of plants here, coconut. So there's small. I don't know who planted the small coconuts. Yeah. They are already planted small coconuts. See? Still small. This is the new area. See? You can see this all over here. And this is so expensive in the city. Who wants this? And just comment below. Say mine. If you want to order. Oh, there's a new one. I don't know what's the name of this. It's a new variety. Different leaves. Oh, this is kamuting kahoy. Cassava. I think my father just planted this. Huh? Padulong sa kuan. Apil pa dito sa baog. See? They already planted coconuts. And going up to the creek also. Bananas.
Kadupang Creek.
Ha?
Kadupang Creek.
Kadupang Creek. Because the name of that creek is Kadupang Creek. Ah. So there's here's the creek also. The same creek down there. What? Huh? What the trick?
Ini adlay na among gitano.
Unsa na?
Adlay. Ora po nig mais. Pero 3 times ka mo harvest.
Ah. See? There's already corn here. It's corn.
Newly planted.
Newly planted corn. Otay. Adlay. They call it adlay here.
Another kind of corn.
Another family of corn. They said you will harvest with this 3 times more than the regular corn. There's more area here. We will just leave the trees here for the protection. Pang no? To avoid soil erosion and landslide. So just leave the trees along the creek. Ha? Panungkit manipang? No. Nanay bunga? Panungkit. We call it panungkit. Patrick eat the flower. Yes, see, that's the fruit of panungkit. Yeah. But this is not. Magi pa ni hinug pang. Ha?
Basta, wala ha? Kumok na. Hinog na.
You got one, Patrick? Show it. You have one? The smiling boy. Tara. Ayan eh.
Ay, dasan din. Marito yun.
Naman mo day dito. Kaunin mo? Oh. Sige daw. Show it. How to eat it. Sige. Saan pagkaon din? Saan? What's that? There's one coconut tree there. Still small. Yeah, banana. Still banana. So this is the boundary. As you can see this one. This is the boundary. Ah. My father is going to get that one. Banana heart. For cooking that one, banana heart. Oops. Careful, Patrick. Lots of bananas here. Oh, one more there. Pang. Lots of bananas here. Oh, this is rice. See, my father planted rice already. This one just need to clean, remove the weeds. This is the area. It's already clean. This is rice, upland rice. They call it upland rice because it's planted in the hills, not in the water. What do you call that? Yeah, this is upland rice. See, after 4 months we will harvest rice. Ah, so up to there is our boundary. Wala pa ni tanom. And who's the owner of this plantation, banana plantation? Still included in our area. In this side, so many bananas planted here. Ha? Oh, naikamuting kahoy. Oh, naman lagi manin apil. This is my boundary. As you can see. And the other side, they planted peanut and then they included in my area. This is peanut. Yeah. Ah. So dire, ang boundary. Dito pa, ato pa dahil ni dire, si Baog. Up to there. Daghang bisulo, nanay punod. That's bisul. Asa? Kanang duha kabok? So we're going back to the mountain house of David now. That's all for my tour. Farm tour. More fruits here. This one is, I guess, lanzones. Mango. Looks like lanzones. Oh, but it's not ours. That's in the boundary. So this is the boundary also. So the durian is ours. This is marang. More durian over there. There's a lot of fruits. Look. See? You can see the fruits. Coconuts. So that's all. This is our farmhouse. My mother's plantitas. So that's all for our farm tour. Say bye-bye, Patrick. Bye-bye.